This is Mrs. Jewett again, and I'm here to welcome you to the very final module of your Biology 1 course. This one is about protein synthesis, and it's actually a really short module compared to the others, so you're almost done. Protein synthesis is a pretty complex process. It talks about how DNA in the nucleus gets turned into the proteins that determine what traits you have. So it's kind of the connection between cells and DNA and the phenotype, or what you actually end up looking like. So with this process, there's lots of different intricacies and lots of vocabulary terms to learn, so that's why it's kind of its own separate module as opposed to being combined with something else. There's a couple of activities that are really fun in this module as well. Building a little monster called a Chinops, and I look forward to seeing all of those in the discussion board. As always, please email me or contact me through the inbox if you have any questions at all, because I'm really happy to help you understand this process. It's not an easy one, and I know that you've worked really hard so far, and I want to help you continue to finish really strong. So, again, if you have any questions, send me a message in your inbox. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you really enjoyed this final module of the course.